We interact with parking every day of the week. Whenever we get in the car, at some point we're going to have to park it. Parking is a problem that is not just a problem here in Australia, it's a global problem.
On our estimates, we can build something in the vicinity of 700 odd car bays at over 5 levels in about 45 days. So we've proven that theory as well by building the Subaru construction in Vic Park.
The system works out to be 35 to 40% lighter, and even more in some cases, than traditional concrete construction. Less materials means less costs, less labour. That value is very tangible, and to put a number on it is sometimes difficult to do. But it can mean the difference between building and not building at all.
The advantage is the modular approach. So modularisation and off-site fabrication is a key component. That is taking all of the wet trades away from working at a site atmosphere. The delivery is very, very quick and very slick and very seamless.
So outside of car dealerships, we have looked into port storage, train stations and public transport sort of assets. Private developers have looked at our system and seen a fantastic opportunity to utilise land prior to developing it. Putting a multi-level car park on it for 5 years that you can then take down and then repurpose somewhere else is not an option that has been in the market before. The solution that we've provided to the market, we're calling it the parked car park system. However, this could quite easily be converted into a commercial or a residential type of structure.
We can provide car parking in any situation. The company will grow. Its actual capital required in the company is quite low because future values and future projects are all driven by a progressive style payment. I believe the board we've got is a very good board. Bob Friedman is very well regarded within the industry, and I believe Peter McUtchen, our MD and Chief Engineer, very well versed in the concrete industry.
On the other side of that, having Bronte, McLarty out of McEquity, but Bronte is very attuned to what we need to be doing for investors and keeping shareholders informed and happy. The next 12 months are around securing new projects, improving our system through research and development, and exploring the markets.
We're talking to councils in the East Coast, we're talking to property developers, we're talking to construction companies, we're talking to town planners that are looking at shopping centres, and we're talking to people that are constructing railways, lines and stations at the moment. Hospitals have a massive parking issue, and I believe that already projects that we've got getting lined up will come to fruition in the next very, very short term. We can provide car parking in any situation, so whether it's in a new site, old site, extended site. So therefore, from an investor point of view, there's a lot of upside. To me, the next 12 months is highly exciting.